It's 'cause it stalled. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be heading out again today towards Stave Lake, but I'm going to head south this time, and apparently there's a road that will take me up to the area that I wanted to go last time. There looks like there's a whole bunch of stuff in that area, a bunch of lakes and different camping areas, so I'm going to check that out. I was planning on doing an overnighter, but I got to work tomorrow, so it's just going to be a day trip to check out the sites and see what there is to see, and then hopefully find some spots to hit some camping trips in the future. Alright guys, let's hit the road. I almost forgot the SD card in my 360 cam. There's so many things I have to think about now when I go out on a ride. Got some bad news about the drone. DJI is not going to cover this thing, even though it dropped straight into the water. So they want 315 US, which is all around 400 bucks, which is almost how much a new drone is anyways. So it looks like I'll probably just be buying a new drone. I've been much happier with the weather. It's hovering around low 20s, which is perfect. That's where I like it. Anything above 25 Celsius and I'm not a happy camper. Clouds are rolling in. It's gonna rain tomorrow. It's supposed to not get cloudy till later this afternoon. It's only 11 o'clock right now. But we should be fine. Yeah, we got about 45-minute drive to the turnoff, and then we'll see what we get. Like I said, I was gonna camp, but I gotta working an overtime shift tomorrow, so making the big bucks. That'll help pay for my flights for my upcoming trip. Upcoming trip, you guys say? Yeah, I'll be leaving mid-October. I'll tell you more about that in the future. But just planning it all out right now. I plan to be gone for 2.5 months. So basically till the end of the year. And I'm just hoping that I will be able to travel by October. The way things are going now with the old vid. I'm just hoping travel doesn't get shut down completely. So stay tuned for exciting info about that. I got a new piece of tech here. Got the Garmin Inreach Mini. So I figured, since I'm heading out into the bush off in the boonies with no cell coverage quite often, it's probably not a bad idea to have some way to communicate if something happens out there. So a neat little satellite communicator. You have to buy a monthly subscription, and then I can send some text messages, and it's got an SOS button so that if something really bad happens, you push the button and supposedly the cavalry comes a-running. So hopefully never need that, but it's good to have for just a peace of mind. I'll put a link in the description below on the Garmin Mini. Anybody heading out into the bush nowadays, not a bad idea to have something like that. So we're headed somewhere back in there. Well, looks like this is where the dirt road begins. So I'm gonna do something that I haven't done before and that everybody keeps suggesting. I'm gonna air down the old tires. I guess it would be smart to make sure that my pump works. And it doesn't seem to be working. So maybe I won't be airing my tires down. Well, that's super annoying. I only used that pump once, so I don't know why it doesn't work. Alright, well, let's go explore. It says 19K to get to the lake And the recreation site, let's see what we got. So it looks like there's lots of different offshoots and things to explore off of this road. This was a great little find. Oh, I guess not this way. And I guess I'll turn the ABS off. Well, that's a hill climb I'm not ready for. Well, this is a pretty good road for this bike. It's more fun than the Stave Lake road. I just wish my right hand didn't keep going numb. Lots of whoop-de-doos. Okay, I forgot all the batteries for the GoPro, like a dummy. So I've only got that one. It's under the seat, and when I start the bike up it'll charge, so I'll get a little bit from there. I'm about to attempt a section that's kind of steep and rocky, and all I've got is a 360 cam, so we'll hope that it keeps recording, because it always keeps shutting off, and maybe we'll get some good footage. Alright, let's take this challenge on. The last section, a kilometer and a half here, it's steep and rocky, and right now outside of my comfort zone. I've looked at it a number of times. There is a line, but I could foreshadow the outcome already. So there's a road to the left. It's not even marked on my map, but I think I can go see where that goes. bound to happen. At least it was an easy lift. Okay, I think it's time to turn around and head back up to the main road. Okay, back to the junction. There's a few spots I can check out. I grab a bite to eat down by the river there, and so we'll do that and then we'll head back on out. I'm just gonna grab a bite to eat, some water by this nice bridge and this little stream. That's a better view there. And then I'll ride for a bit, let the GoPro battery charge up, throw that back on, and then head on out. Almost forgot that I was going to try out the Inreach Mini. So it's got a few settings. It's got the presets, and you can also send some custom text messages. I bought the cheapest plan, so that means I can send 10 text messages a month, but I can send unlimited preset text. So let's do that. Let's select send preset. I'll say all good. I don't even know who I sent it to. Oh great, it's telling me poor GPS strength. I'm in the middle of an open area. My experience is that it's been super slow. So if it was a real emergency, who knows how long it would take before someone gets here. So we'll see. It's 2:12 right now. We'll see if anybody responds to my messages. Well, it's been 20 minutes and no replies yet. I think I might have got a reply to myself, but I'm not sure. So it takes a really long time for that Inreach to get the messages out. All right. Let's head on out. It's 'cause it stalled. Ugh. Okay. That time I was in third gear. All right, that's it for the dirt. Always feels weird once you get back on the pavement and you're sitting down after standing up for so long. Certainly some more challenging parts of that road. That was fun. There's lots of stuff to look at. So I gotta get back home and check out the maps and see where else I can go in there. Alright guys, I'll see you back at home. Alright, back home. And there's the batteries right where I left them. Really smart. Maybe not so smart. The Inreach. I got a response from my friend and it took about an hour. It says 3:18 and I think I sent those messages at 2:12. So not the quickest, but if you're not in a super emergency, then at least people might know that you're in trouble. And if you're just saying that you're okay, then it doesn't really matter when they get the message. Anyways, lots of good stuff I found out there today. Look forward to exploring that area some more. And thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. And there's looks like to be upcoming trip, you guys.